Are you tired of feeling sluggish and stuck in unhealthy habits? Want to transform your lifestyle, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to make that shift to a healthy lifestyle. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Clear introduction and empathize with their challenges. Changing to a healthier lifestyle can feel overwhelming. Between conflicting advice and busy schedules, it's hard to know what truly works. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down into manageable steps that you can apply to your everyday life. Together, we'll tackle fitness, nutrition, and mindset shifts. Overview of the content and offer an overview of the solution. In today's video, we'll cover identifying your current habits and setting realistic goals, incorporating simple, effective workouts, making healthier food choices, creating a sustainable routine that fits your lifestyle. Let's dive in. Step-by-step guidance and break down the steps clearly. First, let's identify the habits holding you back. Are you skipping meals, relying on takeout, or avoiding exercise? These patterns can lead to low energy and frustration, but acknowledging them is the first step to change. Next, set specific, achievable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthy," try "I will cook 3 healthy meals at home each week." This clarity helps keep you focused and motivated. Let's talk fitness. Start with activities you enjoy. Here are 3 simple exercises you can do anywhere. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Walking, aim for 30 minutes a day. Always remember, it's about consistency, not intensity. When it comes to nutrition, small changes can make a big impact. Here are some actionable tips. Meal prep. Dedicate 1 day a week to prep healthy snacks and meals. Healthy swaps. Choose whole grains over refined ones, and opt for fruits instead of sugary snacks. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's vital for your overall health. Why do these steps work? They're sustainable. By gradually integrating these changes, you'll develop healthier habits that stick. Plus, scientific studies show that small, consistent actions lead to long-term health improvements.
Now, let's address some common mistakes. Going too hard, too fast. This can lead to burnout. Remember, gradual changes are key. Neglecting self-care. Balance is important. Make sure to prioritize rest and mental wellness. Ignoring progress. Celebrate small victories. Every step forward counts. Remember, transforming your lifestyle is a journey, a sprint. You've got this. Take it 1 day at a time, and soon you'll notice how much better you feel. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Want more resources? Visit my website, insert URL for a free guide to kickstart your journey. Or check out these related videos right here, and share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're making changes. Let's recap. We covered identifying unhealthy habits, setting achievable goals, simple workouts, and healthy eating tips. Remember, it's all about consistency and finding what works for you. Thank you for watching. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle. See you in the next video.